I looked on love, y'all, but don't worry. Today is the day we go to Cancun.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love.
For example, there's some tequilas that we have only in Mexico that you don't get in the US.
Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just
That's because my baby. Try it. I don't like it. I want to try it. It's like chunks of ice. Oh no, I like it. I don't like it. Mine's too like, okay. Oh, they can't see you.
Caucasian.
You know, man, bitches only. Here, you recording? Yeah. Period. Yeah, it's the whole YouTube. Some out like, follow, say sleep, subscribe. Subscribe. I say subscribe.
Make sure you support the creator by giving them
Why the fuck they keep watching that water?
The winner's gonna be 30 minutes for free massage. So don't go, no se vayan, no quiero que conozcan.
Where you going? Where you going? You gotta go down here to go. Hi.
Look at this. Don't fall. Look before.
I know, that's why they wiping it up.
As they should. We're on the beach, right?
Yeah, it's that way.
There's another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine.
Hi. This is Cancun. Yeah. Yeah. I wish that was us. I wish that was us.
Yeah, I can't
That's
see it's
Jasmine.
dark.
That's
It's not
Faith.
dark.
We getting lit. Lit in this beach. See, watch the. Hold on, wait. Oh! Be careful. Yeah. That's it. Bye.
Okay, bye. He fell? Did he knock him down? Okay, let me get. Damn, it knocked the whole chunk off. Oh, he keep knocking him down. He digging for something. I think he's looking for something. Let me go get my phone. Hold on. Oh.
Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Now you hate the canvas, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, should I roll it up? Let her roll it.
Que la que sigue, DJ, ¿la tienes? ¿Cuántos puntos? How many points? 2 puntos, 2 points the next one. So eres DJ. Indiana, ¿cuál es? ¿Cuál? ¿Qué cuál? ¡Ghostbusters! ¡Los cazafantasmas! ¡Correcto!
Still got the one. Y'all see that? I had to wash my wig and do it for tonight. Show my head, please. That'll do. Did you just put lotion on?
Right, girl, you took the words out my head.
I won't be ashy. The chlorine ashy. I want myself.
These people do not know you.
But I know myself. And it hurts.
Nor do they care.
They probably don't, but I kill myself, you know? That I'm insecure.
Oh, whatever. I'm in my nails.
One fucking toe.
Let me see that
I'm
happen.
gonna do
The white polish.
The
I
white
think I'm
one.
gonna do pink for Miami only.
Break it down like a part, shit would never us. Shit would never us. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel? How you feel? Used to trip out that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the road. I know I'll give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't tell you that I was a savage. Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. For love, give a little less. Now you hit the canvas. But baby, who you need me. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the
Good morning, y'all. Y'all can't see the view, but good morning. It's currently 6:54. We have to leave out Elise bus. Y'all can't see it's dark. We have to leave out Elise by 7:20. So we're going today for 7:40 because that's the time we got pickup. It's 6:55 right now, but yeah. This is the outfit. Excuse me, glitter. This is the outfit, I guess, and I'm put on some my sandals I had on last night because the black won't go with it. I don't think. I don't know. We'll see. That's good. Is my camera there? It is.
Because my friend want to give you a welcome in a Mayan language. Mi amigo le quiere dar la bienvenida en lengua maya. If you want to say good day, si quiere decir buen día, you have to say, usted tiene que decir maloki.
Maloki.
That means good day. Eso significa buen día. Now, please listen carefully. Escuche con atención. He's going to give us a welcome in a Mayan language.
I can't really come to a conclusion. Oh, girl. I mean, I could do that in public.
It was a video anyway.
Huh?
I said it was a video anyway. Oh, we can take a picture.
We take a picture now?
Yeah. Almost fell.
Not that it's really tickling your arm.
I forgot about it.
Complaining for feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine, never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Know you hate the confess, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, should I roll it up? Let it roll it.
Oh, the sun's this way.
My hair. Hey.
Picture for order?
Oh yeah, we can do 3. We just have to put it on the ground.
Break it down like a part, shit was never us. Shit was never us. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine, never thought you could have it. You
This is outfit. I don't know. But this is our last 30 minutes. La 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 la.
Oh, bitch, let's go. You ready, Quentin?
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine, never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Know you hate the confess, but baby, who you needed me.
Are we going back to the same park? Same space.
Both of us?
Yes, nigga. Cute. Okay, I'm sorry, it was blurry.
Philly steaks. Charlie's. What's up, man? Called? Charlie Philly.
Steak.
Yeah, I can't pronounce it. I love the blueberries on lemonade. That's for your camera.
Yeah, but we can still do it though.
Red Robin. I love Red Robin.
They don't have that no more, huh?
What?
Red Robin.
We do it Sadell.
Oh, that's why. It's country out there. Y'all go places like that.
It's in our town mall. We got Red Robin and Chipotle. Fullerton was gone. We got Peyton, Terry Secret all in one spot. Oh, Chuckers, Walk-Ons,
I'm so tired
DJ
of
Blue House, Outback, Steakhouse. It's all in one mall.
Like,
it's our new mall. It came out 2 years ago.
Yeah.
It's lit. I mean, Fullerton one's gone, so.
For your town.
I still go in I go to the mall, either the West Bank or going towards Metairie.
I like West Bank
On
Mall.
Causeway, that mall.
I like West Bank Mall because they got sex in there. In the West Bank
The
Mall.
Causeway Mall, I went there with my friends, saw a fight, like a whole lot of like, people were fighting. I was like, oh wow, this is the
What's
mall.
that big mall? Yeah, I think that is sexy.
With Macy's?
No.
Okay, that's the Causeway.
No, West
that's
Bank
that's on Causeway.
is a
I know what you're talking
Yes.
about.
sex and food in there.
Yeah.
They got Chanel up there too, huh?
The one with Macy's, that's the one by the Causeway Bridge.
Alright, that's not funny.
Are you ready to order?
Yeah, I'm ready to order.
Oh, what side? No, okay.
Can I have the lobster mac and cheese
Lobster mac and cheese, yeah.
and the stuffed chicken breast?
I want the lobster mac and cheese with, y'all have like loaded potatoes or just mashed potatoes?
No, what about loaded baked potatoes? Baked potatoes? Baked potatoes cook with a butter, chive, sour cream, and bacon.
It comes with what?
Butter, chive, bacon, and sour cream.
Butter.
That's it. Yeah.
Anything else?
It's lobster mac and cheese and the loaded baked potatoes.
That's it.
I want the barbecue shrimp and some french fries.
No problem.
Thank you.
So we going out tonight?
Why not?
I was asking.
Why not? I found a place.
I'm not wearing heels there. We gotta go.
Okay, I found a place though. It's called 24K nightclub. It has 5 stars.
That's the one next to the cow.
No.
Yes, it is. Yes.
This one's pretty far from the cow. This is the cow. The cow's over here.
Let me see.
This is over here. That's Mandala. He's telling us about.
No, I'm saying they got a 24K right next to the cow. It's
what?
like the food place, and then it's the cow right there, like that emptiness. You know,
That's a taco shop.
No, I'm saying like in that space, then it's 20. You know,
because this is over here by the hotel.
You know the man who came to us first, like the little short man who had the green shirt on. It had 24K on there, and then the other man was like, no, it's this one. I was like, oh.
Here's our shop. 5 stars.
5 stars.
So you went to the hotel for a shorts on?
No, I think I'm gonna put this on. I'm just probably gonna put some sandals on. I look too cute to take this out.
You heard her. I'm trying to tap on her.
I'm trying to get me a sugar daddy.
See you ever again.
Mexican.
They have no money. I'm in the wrong area for that. And you go to like Panama Canal.
I see a couple of Benzes out here, a couple Audis. Not that much, not that many.
Oh yeah. No, stay in front of that store over there. For that
The Ritz-Carlton.
The Gucci store, girl. That's some money over there. Yeah, Rolex and
It's
shit.
Fendi, I think.
Right there.
Yeah, they got Gucci over there
Ooh,
too.
I don't know. Ooh,
No, it's Fendi.
There's a Fendi in there though. There's a Fendi, Rolex.
I know. I ain't seen no Gucci.
I seen Gucci somewhere else. I don't know why I seen that, but I seen somewhere else. I think
Y'all
Gucci.
hold, let me give me a little Fendi purse out this.
No, if you go to Italy, it's like so
It's
cheap
cheap.
because that's where it comes from. But you can't bring it over water.
Why you can't?
You gotta like pay something, I think.
Yeah.
Because like it's
Don't
domestic.
forget my luggage.
Like imagine about a $20 real Gucci purse.
Of course, that's why.
Girl, I wanna move to Italy.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. I'm so faded up. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to up that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you.
Hey guys, I'm back at home.
No, you're not.
I got here about 6 o'clock or something. My skin looks good though. But basically, this is basically the end of it, of the like birthday trip or whatever. I enjoyed it or whatever. Last night, me and one of my friends went out and we didn't get home. Well, I didn't get back to the room till about 5:30. Yeah, I didn't get there back to the room until like 5:30-ish. Still had to pack up a couple of things. I think I definitely left my camera battery charger. So I guess whenever I go home and unpack and stuff and wash clothes, I guess I'll look for it then. But anyway, yeah, so basically I'm gonna insert like some videos from last night. It was very fun. The club we went to, it had like unlimited drinks. Like all you had to do was pay for your wristbands. I still got the wristbands on. I don't know what this wristband for. Oh, this was for the strip club. I ain't seen no strippers though. But this wristband, I paid 30. I don't know how much he paid. Bless you.
Thank you.
But I paid 30. Then we got in and then we had like unlimited drinks. Like once you pay to get in, all you gotta do, you don't have to pay for drinks. You just kind of pay admission and then you like drink away. That's what we was doing. I would say we went out around like 9-ish, 10 o'clock. So we were drinking from like 10ish to about 2ish. Yep. And then all the clubs closes at 2. I don't know what time the strip club closed because we went in and then we went right back out. I didn't pay to get in. Somebody paid for me, but it was very much fun. It was a lot. Like, I met some people. I met a boy from London. He down there for 11 days. Then I met a girl from Texas last night. She was leaving today anyway. But yeah, I'm excited, y'all. I'm so happy I was able to enjoy my vacation and all that stuff.
Hold up, Jazz.
But anyway, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope it was good. I got good content for you guys. Overall, my favorite activity I did would be probably
Sunday.
I have to say the snorkeling in the ocean where I seen like the coral reef and stuff. That was definitely my favorite.
Sunday.
And then under that would be, well, it was snorkeling and speedboating. They were all in one. So it'd be snorkeling at the top, in ATV would be second. So basically I had fun. We had 3 days worth of activities. The second day was pretty long. Like when I tell y'all, it was 12 hours. I didn't get much footage, but I got a little bit of footage there. It was 12 long hours of walking, getting on and off buses. It was a lot, but my nail ended up breaking, so my nail broke. Yeah.
You can re-get it done.
My nails are, all of them are actually breaking at this point.
What happened?
I can't tell you what happened, but just know it was litty like a titty, and I'm going back. I don't know when I want to go back, but I'm gonna go back. Give this video a huge thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. Comment down below other videos that you want me to do for you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell so you find when your girl upload for you guys. And until next time, make sure you guys stay uniquely you, and I see you guys in my next video.
I've been sipping since I've been too young, that mean baby girl. I've been